So for this example, you're going to need two images. I will head over to my downloads within Windows Explorer, and then I'm going to drag the two images onto my canvas. Next step is to resize the images so that they can match together from left to right. So I'm simply going to select this image and then select the flip option at the top here. And then flip horizontal. And then I'll drag the second image to the front, then the other one to the back. So what you're simply going to do is you're going to resize the images so that it fits into the canvas. Afterwards, go to the left side of the screen, scroll down, and select Apps. After selecting Apps, go to the search bar here where it says Search Canva Apps, then type in Image Blender. Select the first option here where it says Image Blender, then go to the bottom and select Open. Select one of the images. I'm going to select this one here on the right side. Then go to this purple button where it says Blend Selected Image. So once you're done applying the blur effect, you're going to see this vertical bar where there are two circles at the end. So one is going to be a circle here, then another circle at the top here, but currently we cannot see it because of this white space. So if you click and drag onto the circle, you'll notice that it will change the gradient blur and change the direction of the blend type. So I'll go to the top here, and there it is. Drag it to the left side to make sure that it blends properly. Then drag the other side. Once you're happy with the changes, go to the left side and select Save. And another cool thing is that you can also change the strength of the blender. So if I drag it to the left, you'll notice that there is less of a blending effect. But if I drag it to the right, there is more. And if I put it at 100%, you'll notice that it disappears. So somewhere in the middle will be fine. Once you're done, select Save. And there is another unique effect that Canva has. So we're going to create a new page. At the bottom, select Add Page. Then go to the left side, Elements. I'm going to put in a road. I'm simply going to drag it and drop it here. Then I'm going to drag in a picture of a person walking. Simply go back to Apps, then type in Image Blender once more. Select the first option again, and then select Blend Selected Image. So instead of selecting linear, you're going to select radial. And what this does is it creates a circular blending effect. So you can drag the strength, increase it, or decrease it. Once you're happy, go to the left side and select Save. And there you go.